Hello?
Hello?
Is this the locksmith?
Yeah, what can I help you with?
I'm locked in the inside of my car.
I'm sorry?
I'm locked in the inside of my car.
You're locked in the inside of your car?
Yeah.
Throw the lever.
I'm locked in the inside of my car.
I'm sorry?
The keys are on the outside of my car and I'm in the inside.
Okay, so just pull the door handle.
No, you're misunderstanding. The keys are on the outside and I'm in the inside. It's locked.
You don't need a key to get out.
What the hell? I'm on the inside. No, I'm in the inside of the car.
Yeah, why don't you just...
Well, it didn't work.
Well, there's no reason you can't just open the car door to get out.
No.
What kind of car do you have?
No, hold on. You don't get it. It's a Mitsubishi.
Okay, just pull the lever up.
Wait, hold on. No, you don't understand. You're dumb. The keys are on the outside of the car, and the keys are on the outside of the car, and I'm in the inside, and the door is locked. The door is locked. I'm locked in the car. You don't get it. He hung up. Yeah, hey, sorry about that last part. He hung up.